The 2011 Australian Petroleum Producers and Explorers Conference and Exhibition has wrapped up in Perth, where a record 3,200 delegates gathered to hear the latest from the petroleum industry's heavyweights and check out some of the industry's new technology. APPEA Chief Executive Belinda Robinson said the record-breaking crowd reflected a very high level of activity and level of interest from those wishing to invest in Australia's hydrocarbon industry.
Activity at extraordinary levels. It's been quite surreal in a lot of ways.
Ms Robinson said economic growth and development and an increase in population in the Asia-Pacific region was driving demand, but this wasn't the only reason the Asian market was demanding more gas from Australia.
Coupled with that, energy security, of course. And energy security combined with a desire by our Asia-Pacific neighbours in particular for cleaner burning fuels.
She said Australia's primary petroleum export, liquefied natural gas or LNG, was perfect to fill this gap in the market. In the past 12 months, the industry had spent more than $3.5 billion in exploration, which had led to a number of major new gas discoveries, and final investment decisions had been taken on $31 billion worth of new projects to convert coal seam gas from Queensland fields to liquefied natural gas for the Chinese market.
Australia now has $88 billion worth of LNG projects under construction and another $130 billion under consideration.
Taxation and regulatory reform were high on the conference's agenda, as were environmental issues flowing from the Montara and Macondo incidents. However, the design and delivery of a carbon pricing mechanism was most prominent.
In relation to the emissions associated with liquefied natural gas, for every tonne that's associated with LNG, we save between 5 and 9 when used to substitute for coal-fired power generation in China and India.
APPEA insisted LNG was part of the solution and not part of the problem, and this should be recognised within the proposed carbon tax. Wayne Cant, Oil and Gas Australia, online.